Hey guys, so today I have a video for you guys on this hairstyle. I am so lucky to say that this video is sponsored by Foxy Bae hair. They have gifted me their rose gold titanium 3-barrel curling iron, which I love, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it and how I achieve this hair look. This is the one with the 3 barrels, so it's like 3 in 1. You can just easily change them up. It comes like with the 13mm one, and then this is the 25mm one, and the one I'm going to use is a 32mm one. So what I do, if I want really loose ones, I take really big pieces. Like, I don't even have to part my hair. I kind of just go like, I just go with it like that, and then this, and then 3 on the other side, like 3 separate curls on each side, and then I just kind of like brush it with my hands. But this time I want it to be a little bit tighter because I want my hair to have a little more volume. So I'm going to part it. My hair is literally so long, and everyone asks me like, oh, do you have extensions in blah, blah, blah. Like, a lot of people don't believe me that this is my real hair, but before I came to London it was even longer. Like right now it's down to my hips, but before it was literally like right here. Whenever I went to Mexico, I got cut like, it was like what, like 5 fingers? Because I remember I told the girls I cut 5 fingers, and she cut a lot. But right now it's like a lot more healthier and stuff. I wish I wouldn't have cut it, because it was like, whenever I did a ponytail, I would do a high ponytail and it would literally go down to my waist, and it looked so pretty, but it was so damaged. So from here on the bottom layer, this is like the bottom one, so I want the curls to be more loose so my hair looks longer, and I just part it like twice like that. And then this comes with a little like carrying case that is so cute, and a glove which is super cute. I feel like fucking Michael Jackson. I really hope I don't get burned because I'm literally just looking at myself on the viewfinder, like I don't have an actual mirror. I just leave it on for about 5 seconds, and then oh my god, it's like, even though I have the glove, it's like super hot, but just kind of like keep it on your hand like this. And I always like to curl away from my face. I literally don't get people that curl inwards, like from their face. I don't get. I feel like if you curl outwards, like it just frames your face. I feel like whenever you're done, you don't run your fingers through them like immediately. Try to let the hair like cool down so they can last longer. Also, can we literally just talk about how pretty this is? I love the fact that it's rose gold. I love anything rose gold. So like, I want to cut my hair, but at the same time I don't know, like I'm just having like all these thoughts that I'm pretty sure I'm going to regret later, but I really want to dye my hair. Like, this is my total natural hair. Like, I've never done anything to it other than cut it, and I want to dye it like a little bit lighter, kind of like a caramel or however you say it, or like a lighter, just like something lighter, just something that, I don't know, that makes me look a little bit more tan. And I don't know, I just want to get like a new look kind of different, but at the same time I don't want to get rid of my black hair, because I love my black hair, and I feel like that's like that's like a signature of mine, you know? And I also want to cut it, like I want to cut it really short and donate it. But also, like, I mean, I do get that hair is just hair, but I'm going to miss it, you know? And then even though I'm gonna put it up, I part it down the middle just in case like throughout the day I want to put it down and the curls just kind of like fall really easily, you know, because this side is like curled this way and this side is curled this way. So yeah. But yeah, and then here I try to take like longer, as in like bigger pieces like this, but skinnier pieces. You know what I mean? Like back here I was doing short and wide pieces. Well, here I'm doing long and skinny pieces. So the hair just gets like more volume like this, because since this is like the last layer, you want it to look like as big as possible. Please use a mirror for this. I've literally burnt my scalp like 3 times now. Also, I sound kind of weird, huh? I'm kind of sick. So once you're done, you're gonna want to get rid of these like 6th grade curls. I literally used to curl my hair and just leave it like this in 6th grade, and like with like a barrel like this, so they were like super tight, and I literally thought I was the baddest bitch like in the fucking like winter dance in like 6th grade, bumping to like Usher. So see, like my hair, you can see the curls, but yet they're like still really loose, yet still put together. I can't really see myself, so my fucking... Then from here, I just part my hair, like I grab it from my ears, going up, so like not straight back, but up, so it can be like a high ponytail. So I'm gonna put this up like this. Grab a hair tie. I'm gonna put this up like this, and then the bottom half I'm going to tie it so the hairs don't like go into the top whenever I'm tying the top. It's complicated. Like if you know, you know, like whenever you take out a half up, half down like hair tie off, like you literally lose so much hair. So this keeps it from hair from the bottom getting tied to the top. Then from here, I'm just going to brush it and try to make it into a decent half up, half down. I can't even say it. Half up, half down. Half up, half down. Yeah. And then this, I try to make it like as tight as possible to take advantage of the free facelift that I'm getting right now. That's why I love wearing my hair up, because I just feel like it's like an instant facelift, and it just makes you look like so put together. So yeah, I put it up like that, and then I let this down. After that, I always spray some texturizer on my hair to make it look like it has more volume. And like the top, since I leave such a little bit up, I hate like how it looks like that. So I kind of just like tease it with my fingers so it can like look bigger, and put some texturizer in it. And last thing, of course, hoops, because the bigger the hoop, the bigger the... But yeah, so this was today's video. I know that it was like super short, but a lot of people ask me about this hairdo, and I honestly like don't know why. It's super easy, but yeah, you guys like it a lot and I like it a lot, so I decided to film it. And also, again, thank you so much, Foxy Hair, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go get your rose gold titanium curling irons, because they are amazing. Foxy Bae has amazing products, super good quality, super good price.